Israel has just carried out one of its most daring operations yet. And it's not on the battlefield. It was in the shadows of intelligence. Reports now say that nearly 200 Israeli intel officers worked around the clock just to plan a very precision strike on Houthi leadership, and that too in Yemen. Well, this wasn't any random attack. It was a carefully coordinated mission put together in just hours using satellite tracking, surveillance drones, and intercepted communication. Their target? A villa in Sanaa, the Yemeni capital, where top Houthi officials had gathered for what they thought was a safe, secret meeting. Instead, Israeli air power turned the building into rubble. Among those killed were senior cabinet members, including the Houthi Prime Minister. Now, for the entire group that prides itself on a secrecy and survival, this was nothing short of devastating. Now, for a group that prides itself on secrecy and survival, this was nothing short of devastating. Inside Israel's intelligence bunkers, the operation was treated like a chess game. The country's most elite spy units, Unit 8200, known for its cyber and signal expertise, and Unit 9900, famous for satellite images, they both joined the hands. Analysts studied every single phone call, every vehicle movement, every flicker of heat from infrared scans until the picture was very clear. The Houthis were cornered. Within hours, clearance came from their top military chief, Eyal Zamir, and political leaders gave the green light. Moments later, missiles rained down. Also, the aftermath is telling. Houthi leaders who survived are now on the run. Many have stopped using their cell phones, abandoned public meetings, and even fled Sanaa out of fear. Thousands of supporters gathered for the funeral, chanting revenge, but the psychological damage is already done. Israel has proven that it can not only strike deep into Yemen, but also dismantle the myth of Houthi invulnerability. This wasn't just a strike, it was a statement. It showed that Israel's intelligence machine can hunt down enemies far from its borders in hostile territory and still hit with surgical strike. And for the Houthis, it signals a dangerous new reality. Their leadership is no longer safe, not even in their own capital.